So, hi guys, welcome to the channel Learn Concepts with Nikil. Discover, learn, and grow. Sorry. So, discover, learn, and grow. So, in this particular video, we will be learning about market entry strategy framework, as well as we will be seeing one example. Right. In the previous video, we have learned about profitability optimization example. Profitability optimization framework, as well as some case study, example case study. Even in the market entry strategy also, we will be learning about the framework as well as we will be seeing one case study, right? So let's jump into the video, guys. So what is market entry strategy? Imagine you want to open your ice cream shop in a new town, right? I want to open my new shop, ice cream shop in a new town. So for example, I have an ice cream shop in Hyderabad. Now I want to open my shop in Barangal too, right? So market entry means how do I go into that new town, sell my ice cream and make people love it. So basically, how I will be attracting the people of Barangal, how I will be attracting the customers of the Barangal, how I will be maintaining, how I will be grabbing more market share from the people of the Barangal and all these things. How I will be selling the ice cream as well as how I will be grabbing the market share, more market share as well as how I will be attracting the customers, how I will be attracting the people or target customers to buy my product. So market entry strategy is nothing, guys. If you want to go into the new market, you will be checking everything. You will be doing pestle analysis. You will be doing external and internal analysis of that market. And then you will be entering the market, as simple as that, right? So we will be seeing in the case study too, so that you can understand more clearly. So the five-step framework of market entry strategy is, let's call it ice cream planner. First one is industry and market. That is nothing but a external analysis. You will be doing external analysis. You will be doing the analysis of the industry. You will be doing the analysis of the competition. You will be doing the industry analysis, total industry analysis. So yeah, let's see what is what. Karke. So ask, do people in this town like the ice cream? So people of the Warangal town or Warangal city are liking the ice cream or not. If I sell the ice cream, they will like it or not. Okay, you need to do industry analysis. What is the what you can say? What is the favorite things of customers and all these things? How many shops are already selling it? So who are my competitors? Industry analysis, right? So first you will be seeing the market share. Is there customers? First you will be seeing market share. Are the customers willing to buy my product? Or do people in this town like the ice cream karke? So first you will be seeing the market share, and then how many shops are already there or how many shops are already selling it. It is nothing but competitors, right? Who are the competitors if I enter into the new market karke? As well as is this market growing or shrinking? That is nothing but a market growth hai ya market constant hai? Is it a cash cow or is it growing karke? Like basically, is the market growing or is the market saturated? First, you will be doing the is market share available for me or not karke. If I enter into the market, will the market share will be coming for me or not karke? You will be seeing that. Next, you will be seeing the competitors. Who are the competitors who are already selling and who are already established in that market karke? Next, you will be seeing whether the market is growing or whether the market is saturated. Okay. So first you will be doing the industry and market analysis. Example, if everyone eats ice cream daily, it's a good market. So based upon these, you will be making a insight or you will be making a finding key. Is it a good market or bad market करके to enter. Next is you will be doing customer analysis. Customer analysis is nothing but who will be buying your ice cream. That is not but target segment. Who is the target segment I will be aiming for? If I enter into the market, who is the target segment? Will the children buy? Will the parents buy? Will the adults buy? Karke? So who will be buying my ice cream? Who is my target customer? Who is my target segment? Karke? Next, kids, families or teenagers. As I said you before, who will be buying? Kids will be buying kya, families will be buying kya, adults will be buying kya, or teenagers will be buying kya karke. We will be doing customer analysis, customer behavior analysis. Next, what flavors do they like? So you will also be doing analysis of what flavors. Some people may like vanilla flavor. Some people may like strawberry flavor. Some people may like butterscotch flavor. I personally like butterscotch flavor. So yeah, there are basically many types of flavors and each different people will be liking different type of flavors, right? So what is the majority, who are the people who are liking majority of the flavor? Okay, so you will be doing customer analysis too. Example, if they love chocolate and you sell it, perfect match. So based upon their their preferences, their behavior, we need to customize our products. So you need to do industry analysis in the first step, and customer analysis, industry and market analysis in the first step, and customer analysis in the second step. The third step, you will be doing the entry strategy. Entry strategy mane to how should I enter? If see first two steps say you got to know ki what is the industry position and how what is the customer perception karke. After making the decision to enter into the new market, after doing industry analysis, market analysis, and customer analysis, you'll be making some entry strategy. How I should enter the market so that I can grab more market share. I can attract the customers. I can attract the segments, target segments. करके. So let's see what are the things in entry strategy. Ask how will I enter the market? First, shall I open my own shop? If I open my own shop, customers will be attracted to me or not? Will I get the more market share or not? करके. Opening my own shop is one of the market strategy, or partner with local shop. Like for example, there are many what you can say, uh, many instances, many examples like this. You will be, if a company want to enter into the new market, for example, take let's take Geo Hotstar only. Geo want to enter into the OTT platform, so that is the reason why it has collaborated with the Hotstar, right? So you what you will do, you will be opening your own OTT platform, or will you be collaborating with the local shop which is already famous karke, so that you will also be getting the brand value karke. So this is a market entry strategy, guys. You will be opening your own shop, or you will be collaborating or partnering with the another local shop. That's based on the client and all these things. So, but these are the entry strategies. Or let's sell online only. I don't want to what you can say. I don't want to open my own shop, or I don't want to collaborate and partner. I don't want to do partnership with the local shop. I want to sell online. Karke. Even that is also one of the entry strategy. Basically, you are entering the new market, right? If you want to sell online in the Warangal area, you can establish a website and you can sell the products online. So basically, these are the entry strategies. There are various entry strategies too, but these are the common entry strategies. Example, if rent is high, maybe start by selling through food delivery apps. So that is nothing but the rent is high. I cannot open my shop. I don't want to partner. I don't want to do partnership with the local shop. So I will be selling online only. So that is one of the entry strategies. So you will be making some strategies, right? So this is nothing but entry strategy. Fourth one is advantages. Advantages are nothing but competitive advantages. So what is the competitive advantages? What is my USP? USP is nothing but unique selling point. What is the unique selling point? So that customers will be attracted to my product, to my ice cream. All right. Target customers or customers will be attracted to my product, and I will be getting market share in the market. Karke. What is the competitive advantage of your product, or what is the competitive advantage of your ice cream? Karke. So ask what makes your ice cream special? Special, as I said you before, USP, unique selling point. What is the unique selling point of your ice cream, right? Cheaper price. Is it cheaper price? Cheaper price is one of the competitive advantage. Because of cheaper price only, many have shifted from a Geo to many have shifted from Airtel to Geo, right? Geo has given the free internet for almost 6 months, I think. So almost 6 months to 1 year, I think. So that is the reason why people have converted from Airtel to Geo, right? So basically, cheaper price can be one of your competitive advantage. Next, more flavors. If you have more flavors, like Pista House, there are many what you can say, many ice cream shops, right, which provide more flavors, so that customers can be attracted. Why? Because they can try they can try each product every time, each and every time, right? So is more flavors your USP, right? Unique selling point, or organic ingredients. Nowadays, people are people are majorly focusing on organic related food. So, is my product organic? Is it containing organic related ingredients or not? Karke? It is my USP or not, unique selling point or not? Karke? So basically, you need to see your USP to unique selling point. Example, you offer unicorn sparkle flavor, no one else does. So that is one of the USP, right? No one sells the flavor. Even I am hearing for the first time, unicorn sparkle flavor. So you are selling the product. So maybe people may come to you, right? People may come to you. You can attract the people. So that is a competitive advantage of you. So that is the fourth step. And fifth step is money. Ask money is nothing but a finance, right? ask how much money will you need to start. So if I want to enter into the new market, I need to do marketing. If I want to enter into the new market and I need to open my own shop, own retail shop, I need some money. If I want to do digital marketing and traditional marketing, I need to do some I need to have some money, as well as I need to say take some licenses and all these things. Even for that also money is mandatory, right? Without money there is no world. So how much money will you need to start in order to enter into the new market? Next is how much profit can you make? So if I enter into the new market, is it profitable for me or not? Kya karke? So basically, you will be checking about the profit also. What is the profit? What is my return of investment if I enter into the new market? And if I do investment, what will be my return on investment? What will be my profit? Karke? You need to check that also, as well as how long will it take to get my money back? What is the payback period? What is the payback period? If I invest this much money, will it take 1 year or 2 years to return the money, to come the money back? What is the payback period, Karke? So, example, if you need 1 lakh, if you need 1 lakh and you earn 10,000 per month profit, 10 months to recover. So basically, you have invested 1 lakh. Let's assume basically you have invested 1 lakh, and it will be taking 10 months to 1 year to get the money back return. So basically, it will be taking 1 year. That is a payback period. Karke. So payback period is also one of the, what you can say, one of the concept of finance. So yeah, so basically you will be thinking about money also. You will be thinking about money also. This is the framework of market entry strategy, guys. 5 step framework. First, you will be doing the industry and market analysis, right? You will be checking whether there is a market share, whether the customers will be buying or not, whether the market is growing or not, whether the market is growing or saturated. Karke. Next, you will be doing customer analysis. That is nothing but you will be identifying your customer segment, right? You'll be identifying your customer target segment. Next, you will be entry strategy. Entry strategy means how you will be entering the market. After making the decision to enter the market, how you will be entering the market. I will be entering through online, or I will be making my own store. I will be building my own store, or I will be partnering with my local shopper, already established brand. Karke, you will be making some entry strategy. Fourth one is advantage. What is the advantage? Is nothing but a competitive advantage, and what is a USP, unique selling point of my product, so that I can attract more customers. Karke. So that is advantage. And fourth one is money. What is the money? Like how much money is needed to in order to enter the new market, as well as how much money I can expect in return if I invest in the new market. Karke. New market, and all these things if I enter the new market. So this is all about a 5 step framework of market entry strategy, guys. Next, simple summary. So before you enter into a market, enter into a new market, always ask this: is the market big enough? So that is the market. If the market is big enough, if I enter, I may get some market share, and after that, based upon my differentiation and based upon my USP, I can build and I can grow my market share. But is the market big enough? You need to ask yourself if you want to enter into the new market. Next, to who are my customers? That is nothing but target customers or target segment. How do I enter? What are the entry strategies I need to follow? Why will people choose me? What is the USP, unique selling point of your product, so that people will be choosing you, Karka? Next, can I make money? As I said you before, you will be thinking in a financial, you will be thinking according to financial way also. So these are the simple steps you need to remember when you are entering into the new market. So let's take a case study, guys. I cannot see due to Zoom pop-up, but yeah, case study, Snacko, the healthy snacks brand. Snacko is a healthy snacks brand, guys. So that is our client, and they have given us case, a business problem for us. Problem. Snacko is a popular healthy snacks company in India. So basically in India, Snacko is a healthy snack company, and it is an established company in India. It is generating so much profits too in India. They say we want to expand and open in Singapore. So they want to expand and they want to enter into the new market called the Singapore market. Singapore market, but we don't know how to enter this new market. So basically, they want to enter into the new market, that is nothing but Singapore, but they want to take our suggestions. They don't know how they need to enter. So they will be taking our suggestions as a management consultant. We need to advise them. We need to suggest them, right? We need to suggest them. so that they can enter into the new market and gain profits. So let's see. You are the consultant. Your job is to help them decide how to enter the Singapore market and all these things. So you need to help them, and you need to give them suggestions and recommendations, and decide how to enter into the Singapore market. Uh, let's see the answer. Let's see the solution. So first we are doing the five-step framework, guys. Five-step framework. I said you right. Industry and market analysis, customer analysis. Next, competitive advantage है क्या, money है क्या, and market entry analysis, right? Market entry strategy analysis. So step one, use the market entry framework. As I said you before, we will be using the market entry framework. So first one is the market and industry analysis, guys. So first point, do people in Singapore like healthy snacks? The finding is yes. So we will be doing some research to whether people in the Singapore like healthy snacks or not. करके. After that, we will be getting some insights and some findings, right? So the answer is yes. So the people in Singapore will be liking healthy snacks. Next is the market growing. Is the market growing for the healthy snacks or not in Singapore? करके. We will be checking that, and the answer is yes. Demand is rising. So we are what you can say, we are sure with these two things. Next, any competition? Yes, few local players already exist, so there is already a competition in the Singapore market, right? Even though yours is a healthy snacks brand, even in Singapore there is a competition for you. There are some competitors which are making some healthy snacks brands and all these things. So there are also some competitors. By research we got to know this. Industry analysis किया था हमने. We did industry and market analysis, and we got these insights, we got these findings, right? We got this information. So what is the insight? Good opportunity, but we must stand in. So there is a good opportunity. Why? Because people in the Singapore are liking healthy snacks, as well as market is also growing, it is rising. Why? Because it is healthy snacks, right? As well as there is also a competition. So basically it is a good market to enter, but you need to be careful. Why? Because there are competitors, you need to tackle them, you need to be there is a rivalry, there will be a rivalry between you and competitors if you enter the new market. So basically it is a good market, but you need to be careful. Next, customer understanding. Customer understanding now is nothing but who are my target customers, who eats healthy snacks in Singapore. So in the first question you will be asking, who are my target customers for my snacko healthy snacks brand. Next, what flavors do they love? So what is the flavor they love? So spicy, sweet chili, and seaweed flavor. So these are the insights we found while doing customer understanding analysis. First, we have found the insights and findings after doing the industry as well as market analysis. Then we have done a customer analysis, and we have found some more insights. Next, entry strategy. We will be doing entry strategy analysis also. Yeah. So what are the ways to enter? Set up own store. So set up own store is one of the strategy. Next, sell online through Amazon and Redmart. So that is one of the strategy. And partner with the local supermarkets. That is also one of the strategy. And inside, start online plus supermarket partnerships, low cost, fast reach. So by selling your online, by selling your products online, by selling your healthy snacks online, you will be having low cost as well as fast reach, even for supermarket partnerships also. So next is competitive advantage. Competitive advantage is nothing but it's a unique selling point. Yes, unique selling point of the product. 1 minute, guys, my charging has been done. I will be keeping the charging. So fourth point is competitive advantage. Competitive advantage is nothing but it is a unique selling point. Unique selling point of your Snacko brand, Snacko healthy snacks brand, right? So why will people buy my Snacko snacks? Why? Because they are organic. They have organic ingredients. We will be using ingredients like millets and all these things. So they are organic and they are healthy for the health too, right? Indian flavors with a twist. So basically we are selling in the Singapore, right? We want to enter into the Singapore market. So basically every country, like as far as I know, foreigners love Indian culture and Indian food. So basically that will be also one of the unique selling point. If we sell the Indian food to them, they will be loving. They will be loving and they will be buying it more often. So even that will be also one of the unique selling point, right? Next is stylish packaging. So stylish packaging, that can be one of the unique selling point, right? So yeah, inside USP, tasty Indiana meets a healthy Asia, right? So unique selling point is a Indian flavor as well as it is healthy, right? So yeah, we will be doing market entry strategy too, as well as a competitive advantage analysis also. What is the USP of our company karke? Next, money matters. So financial things also matters, right? Startup cost 20 lakhs for marketing, logistics, and inventory. So basically, if I want to enter into the market, it will be costing 20 lakhs for me into the 20 lakhs for me for marketing, logistics, and inventory. Next, the sales forecast 50 lakhs in first year if the strategy works. So I have made some strategies, right? If that are not, I didn't make some strategies. We combinedly made some strategies. So sales forecaster. If I follow these strategies, I will be making 50 lakhs per year karke. Risk high logistics cost plus new brand trust issue. So those will be risks. For sure, there will be risk. Ke, if a new brand is entering into the market, there will be some doubts on the brand, right? So yeah. So and high logistics cost also one of the risk when coming to financials, right? Insight. Try pilot pilot in one city. Pilot is nothing but a trial. It's like trial. Try in one city, Singapore Central before launch. So basically, you will be doing somewhat like testing, right? A/B testing karke. Not it's not like A/B testing. A/B testing will be majorly used in product management, but basically you will be doing testing in one of the city whether the people are liking it or not, whether the customers are buying my product or not karke. If the response is good, if the response is nice, we will be launching in the total country. First we will be launching in one city karke. So that is one of the insight, so that we can, what you can say, we can save our money, right? Directly if we release in the whole country and if anybody didn't buy, that will be a loss. So basically, cleverly, you have what you have to do, you have to launch it one city, so that based upon the people response, you can make some changes and you can do some tweaks, right? Step two. So first step is we have done a five step framework market entry strategy, right? So second step, what can go wrong? Customers may not like a Indian style flavor. So these are the assumptions, right? These are the assumptions. What can go wrong karke? So customers may not like Indian brands, Indian style flavors. So that may be one of the assumption, and you can call it as a hypothesis. And you can do hypothesis testing too with the help of issue trees. I have explained you in the part one, right? Management consulting course part one, hypothesis testing and issue trees. You can do assumption testing with the help of trees as well as hypothesis testing, right? So second assumption is local competitors may copy quickly. This is not an assumption. It is for sure. Why? Because competitors may copy your brand idea and your snacks idea. So yeah. Next is shipping snacks overseas is called expensive. That may be one of the thing which may go wrong, right? So these are the things which may go wrong. Next, how can we succeed, right? Third step is how can we succeed. So run influencer campaign on Instagram with fitness bloggers. So that is one of the strategies. So basically you will be running ads with influencers. In Instagram you will be seeing the influencers saying buy this product, buy Fair and Lovely, buy what you can say, buy sunscreens, buy and all these things. So buy different products. They will be doing ads, right? They'll be getting some money. Offer free samples in gyms and colleges. So that is one of the strategies. So basically, after offering some samples, we can know ki whether they are liking the product or not. करके. Partner with the local snack delivery services. So do partnership with some local snack delivery services. That is one of the strategy by which we can succeed. Next, use biodegradable cool packaging to attract eco-conscious buyers. So follow some eco-friendly packaging and all these things, so that you can attract some more customers who are eco-conscious, right? So if we follow these strategies, what will be the final result? Let's see. Snacko builds its own loyal customer base. So basically, it will be building its own what you can say, own brand, own loyal customer base, own customer satisfaction and customer not customer retention nahi hoga. Why? Because they are entering into the market for the first time. So customer satisfaction hoga. Because of customer satisfaction, there can be loyal customer base. Basically, it will be creating a brand in Singapore too. If you follow the strategies which I have said in the step three, right? People love fusion flavors, so that is one of the final result. If you follow the strategies, costs are manageable with the local partnerships. So local partnership करने से like we will be managing some costs. So these are the final reasons if we follow the suggestions. If you follow the suggestions, like as I said you before, management consultant job is to do only give the suggestions and recommendations. You will not force the client to implement the suggestions or strategies. It's the final decision and it's the final say of the client, not management consultant. Management consultant will only be giving the what you can say will only be giving the ideas. So it will only be giving the suggestions as well as strategies. Final decision will be with the hands of a client only, business only. So yeah. So Snacko becomes Singapore top Indian fusion snack brand if we follow the strategies. So final tip. Always remember this market entry mini checklist. So I have said you about sorry. Sorry guys. So basically I have said you about market entry strategy framework, right? 5 steps market entry strategy framework. So first, you need to do market and industry analysis. Next, you need to do customer analysis. Next, you need to do entry strategy things. You need to come up with some entry strategies. After making market and customer analysis, you need to come up with market entry strategies. Next, you need to understand what is your USP. करके why you what is the USP unique selling point of your product, so that customers can be buying your product. They will be attracted to your product. Next, money, right? Money, even financial things also matter. So you need to keep money, finances also in your mind. So this is a checklist. This is a case study as well as market entry framework. And in the next video, we will be learning some more about management consulting, and we will be doing some more case studies, guys. So I think these case studies are interesting. So yeah, let's meet in the next video, guys, with a new case study as well as new framework. So bye.